Health benefits of Kadaknath chicken: high protein content, about 25 to 27 gram of protein per 100 gram of meat, low in cholesterol, only 0.73 to 1.05%, rich in nutrients, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, C and E, niacin, protein, fat, calcium, phosphorus, iron, nicotinic acids, etc. Source of amino acids: 8 vital amino acids out of 18. Impressive benefits: rich in antioxidants, improves eyesight, lowers the risk of heart disease, boosts energy. Medicinal value of Kadaknath chicken: protein content, in case of Kadaknath chicken 25%, other breed of chickens 18 to 20%. Fat content, in case of Kadaknath chicken 0.73 to 1.03%, other breed of chicken 13 to 25%. Linoleic acid, in case of Kadaknath chicken 24%, other breed of chickens 21%. Cholesterol, in case of Kadaknath chicken 184.75 mg per 100 gram, other breed chicken 218.12 mg per 100 gram.